Empower, an independent study opportunity offered by Liberty High School to explore the educational opportunities of your choice. What is it that inspires you? What are you passionate to learn? What do you want to know or achieve that isn't available in a standard class? Empower is the course for you. Through your interest, curiosity, and drive to achieve, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination and the ability to complete the goal during the term. We are empowering you to learn without the restrictions of statewide or nationwide requirements. We are empowering you to achieve learning objectives that you create. You are in charge of your learning. Your teacher serves as a mentor and resource to challenge and inspire you to achieve success. Consider Empower to reach your goals.